Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss some more important questions of real number. So the first important question is, if x square plus y square is equals to 10xy, prove that 2 log x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 plus log 3. So first we will take given given x square plus y square is equals to 10xy. Okay. What we will do, x square plus y square is equals to 10xy. So here I am adding 2xy on both sides. I am adding 2xy on both sides. So it will be x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 10xy plus 2xy. So this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as x plus y whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a plus b whole square. So that's why we are writing x plus y whole square is equals to 10xy plus 2xy is 12xy. Now I am applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides. So here log of x plus y whole square is equals to log of 12xy. So here log x power n, the formula you are having, log a of x power n is equals to n log a of x. So since by using this formula I am writing this as 2 log of x plus y is equals to log here you know the formula, log a plus b, a b c is equals to log a plus log b plus log c. So by using that formula I am writing log 12 plus log x plus log y. Since log a b c is equals to log a plus log b plus log c, right? Now this is nothing but 2 log x plus y is equals to 12xy. So I am expanding the other form now. Here log 12 can be written as 4 into 3 plus log x plus log y. So here this can be written as log 4 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y, since log ab is equals to log a plus log b. So here now this 4 can be written as log 2 square plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. Let us see the steps from the starting again. So here in the question it is given as x square plus y square is equals to 10xy. We have to prove that 2 log of x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 plus log 3. So for doing that, first I am adding 2xy on both sides. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 10xy plus 2xy. So this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a plus b whole square. So that's why I am writing it as x plus y whole square is equals to 10 plus 2 how much? 12. So it is 12xy. Applying log on both sides, log x plus y whole square is equals to log 12y. So now this is in the form of log x power n. Log x power n formula is n log x. So here 2 log of x plus y is equals to log 12 plus log x plus log y. Since we are having the formula log a plus abc is equals to log a plus log b plus log c. Now this 12 can be written as 4 into 3. We are having the formula log ab is equals to log a plus log b. So that's why I am writing it as log 4 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y, same. Now 4 can be written as 2 square, that's why I am writing it as log 2 square plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. The final step, here this can be written as 2 log 2 plus log 3 plus log x plus log y. What we have to prove in the equation, the starting you see, 2 log x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 plus log 3. So by this we solve this question. Let us do another important question of real number. Your question is solve 3 power x is equals to 5 power x minus 2. Here first write the given. Given 3 power x is equals to 5 power x minus 2. Applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides. So log 3 power x is equals to log 5 power x minus 2. As we know the formula, log x power n is equals to n log x. So by using this formula, I am writing it as x log 3 is equals to x minus 2 log 5. Right? Next, x log 3 is equals to x log 5 minus 2 log 10 of 5. Right? Next, I am sending this 3 that side and 2 this side. So 2, the minus sign will become positive. 2 log 10 of 5 is equals to x log 10 of 5 minus x log 3. Now 2 log 10 of 5 is equals to, I am taking x common, log 5 minus, I have taken already x common, log 3. Right? Next, x is equals to, I am sending that this side, 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. So we got the value of x. Let us see the question from the starting again. So solve 3 power x is equals to 5 power x minus 2. So we are applying log on both sides. Log 3 power x is equals to log 5 power x minus 2. Since we know the formula log x power n is equals to n log x. So here x log 3. Log 3 power x will be x log 3 is equals to x minus 2 log 10 of 5. So I am separating the number x log 5 and 2 log 5. So x log 10 of 3 is equals to x log 5 minus 2 log 5. And again, I am sending this 2 log 5 this side and this 3 that side. So this is becoming positive and this is becoming negative. So 2 log 5 is equals to x log 5 minus log 3. Now 2 log 5 is equals to x of, I am taking x common. So what is left in the bracket? Log 5 minus log 3. So I want the value of x. So that's why I am writing x aside and 2 log 10 of 5. This I am sending this side. So it will be in the denominator. So 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3 is the value of x. That's it. Let us see another important question of real number. So our next important question is log 162 by 343 plus 2 log 7 by 9 minus log 1 by 7 is equals to log 2. So this is one of the important question and a difficult one too. For this, first what we will do, since you know the formula log a by b or x by y, anything, log a minus log b, right? So here log 162 by 343, it will be equals to log 162 minus 343 plus 2 log, again 2 log 7 minus log 9, here also log. Okay. Next, minus log 1 minus log 7, right? So this will be equals to log 162 minus log 343 plus 2 log 7 minus 2 log 9 minus log 1 plus log 7. Okay. Now 162 can be written as log 81 into 2. 81 into 2. 81 2 is 162. So 81 into 2 minus log here 343 can be written as 7 cube. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. So it can be written as 7 cube plus 2 log 7 minus 2 log 9 can be written as 3 square minus log 1 plus log 7. Now here again this can be written as log AB is there. So the formula is log A plus log B. So log A plus log B minus, this is in the form of log x power n, which is equals to n log x. So 3 log 7 plus 2 log 7 minus again x power n. So 2 2's are how much? 4. So 4 log 3 minus log 1 plus log 7. Now see here, 81 can be written as 3 3's are 9, 9 3's are 27, 27 3's are 81. So this can be written as log 3 power 4 plus, any log 2 is there? No, plus log 2. Okay, and again if any log minus 3 log 7 plus 2 log 7. Minus 3 plus 2 will be equals to what? Minus 1. So minus log 7 minus 4 log 3 minus log 1 plus log 7. Again plus log 7 minus log 7 cancel. We are left with what? Log x power n again. So 4 log 3 plus log 2 again minus 4 log 3 minus log 1. So here plus 4 log 3 minus 4 log 3 again cancel. Now we are left with log 2 minus log 1. Since we know that the value of log 1 is nothing but 0, so your answer will be log 2. So in the question they asked, show that this whole equation is equals to log 2. At the last we proved that it is equals to log 2. See from the starting again. So log 162 by 343. This is in the form of log A by B. So log A by B formula is log A minus log B. So that's why log 162 minus log 343. Okay. Plus 2 log 7 minus log 9 minus log 1 minus log 7. So 162 log 162 minus log 343 plus log 7 minus 2 log 9, multiplying each and everything, minus log 1 minus into minus plus log 7. Again this 162 I am writing it as 81 into 2. So log 81, this is in the form of log AB. So log AB formula is log A plus log B. So that's why it is log 81 plus log 2 minus log 343 can be written as 7 cube. So that's why I written 7 cube, and this is in the form of log x power n. That's why we written it as n log x means 3 log 7 plus 2 log 7 same minus 2, 9 can be written as 3 square, and again this is the form of log x power n. So these two 2's are how much? 4. 4 log 3 minus log 1 plus log 7. Now 81 can be written as 3 power 4. 3 3's are 9, 9 3's are 27, 27 3's are 81. So log 3 power 4 plus log 2 minus, see, minus 3 log 7 plus 2 log 7 will be log 7 minus 4 log 3 minus log 1 plus log 7. This plus log 7 minus log 7 will get cancels. Now this is again in the form of log x power n. So this is 4 log 3 plus log 2 minus 4 log 3 minus log 1. Again 4 log 3 plus 4 log 3 minus 4 log 3 get cancels. We are left with only log 2 minus log 1. So we know the value of log 1 is 0. So our answer is log 2. So hence we proved this equation. So this is one of the important questions and a little bit confusing. So practice it well. Let us see one more last important questions of real number. Express 140 and 385 as a product of its prime factor. Express 140 and 3825 as a product of its prime factor. So for this, first we'll take the LCM of 140. Okay, 2 7s are 14, 0, 2 3s are 6, right? 2 5s are 10. Again 7 5s are 35. So 140 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7 into 5. And 3825. 3825 to the LCM. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, right? And next 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. We can't go with 3, right? So it should be with 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25. And again 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So 3 8 2 5 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. You see, all the numbers are nothing but prime numbers, 2, 7 and 5. So like this we express these numbers as the product of its prime factors. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.